Hey guys, welcome back. It's Friday and time to fire up the printer. For this tool, most racers actually pay money. I'm giving it to you for free. And yes, today is all about why tires need to crack. Most people get this completely wrong. They just run new tires or roll them somehow with a hex driver or whatever tool they have. Here's the problem: uneven pressure, point loading, and in the worst case, you actually damage your rim. So why do tires need to crack? Simple. You break excess glue. The foam insert becomes freer and the tire can finally work properly. More grip, more control, more consistency. But here's where most people mess up again. You're pressing right on the center hole. And that can deform. And then your rim is basically ruined. So I thought, why not make a tool that actually does this right? These are my 3D printed tire rollers. They fit perfectly inside the rim. They apply even pressure and completely protect the center hole. The tire rollers come in 3 sizes: small, medium, large. So you can easily work with different rim types, narrow or wide. And now listen to this. That is exactly what you want. And here's the best part. You don't have to buy anything. You can download the files just like always for free. They're available right now on my website. Download, print, done. If you want better performance, this is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. If you liked the video, feel free to leave a like. Next week, we'll take a look at everything I've made for the 3 Racing Cero platform. Take care and see you next time at the track.